comment down below the number of your favorite 3 steps that you saw in this tutorial. I will make a breakdown version of the 3 that get the most votes. If you haven't subscribed already, now's the time to do so for more content like this. If you enjoyed these advanced, unique, and dynamic footwork steps, then leave me 3 fire emojis down below. That way I'll know to make more videos like this. If you can't wait that long, all you have to do is email me here for my weekly class, and then you can get access to me personally where I can help you develop on these footwork steps in real time. Like the video if you enjoyed what you saw. I mean, I'm guessing if you're still here that you must have enjoyed it somewhat, so give the video a thumbs up. Well, you know the deal, guys. Stay fresh, stay clean. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.